Today we plant bush-type long beans in a terrace garden. These are the seeds that I put it into the water for 12 hours. The pot's diameter is 45 centimeters and depth also 45 centimeters. Always, when you select the pot, make sure that you have a proper drainage holes. Put 1-inch rubble and 1-inch sand for better water flow. The potting mixture contains 2 topsoil, 1 compost, and 1 sand portions. Additionally, you can add coir dust. Keep a 2 to 3 inch gap to fill fertilizer like compost later. Dig holes, 4 times than the seed size with 4-inch gaps. Add the seeds, and cover it with a cloth, and add water daily. This cloth will ensure a better temperature for seed germination and seeds will not come out of the soil while watering. Keep this in an area with good sunlight. When the seedlings appear, remove the cloth. You can use this type of net for further protect your small plants from animals like squirrels or birds. very important thing is to spray organic pest controlling like neem oil every 4 to 5 days time. You have to do it for both sides of the leaf. Add compost or cow dung every 2 weeks time. Bush long beans are easy to grow in a temperature of 20 to 30 Celsius. You can add a plant supporter if needed. Happy gardening! Subscribe and keep in touch with my channel for weekly gardening videos.